Nah, usually I don't do this, but go ahead on, break them off with a little previews of the remix.
Y'all ain't know, I go by the name of
DJ Twitch.
representing them.
Sick with it.
Yeah, and this one right here, I dedicate this one right here to all my homies out there grinding. You know what I'm saying? Legally and illegally.
We gon' shut them down. Y'all thought we killed him with the last one?
Check it out.
Remix.
Now I'm back again, back to break backs again. Put them in the backseat of the lack again and rip off the Magnum packaging. What's happening? I'm looking for some girls gone wild. I'm just trying to make these girls all smile, and I'm gonna make them dance so I can see them shake their ass. Then I'll put them in a trance till I get them out them pants, and I'll take them to a level that they might have never been before. We gon' hit the dough and then hit the flow. You'll get hit below. I got somebody I want you to get to know me. Fearless like Jack the Ripper. Hip hop needs help, so I'm back to flipper. Flipper run back, cause I'm back to sticker and flow up on the track like it's full of liquor.
rhyming on the blues and you.
Takuvaine, tomanea, tosumalinga itomanea. Takuvaine, tomanea, tosumalinga. Takuvaine, tomanea, tosumalinga itomanea. Takuvaine, tomanea, tosumalinga.